This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal is a test.
He's usually in the afternoon.
For transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test.
I'll put radios out here. Looks like this didn't go off. I may have to send that over to Simplex. This is an 08.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG-59 listening area. For the following marine location, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon brings out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Each of
What's this?
1 foot at 3 seconds. Around.
Okay.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Alright, let that finish.